Hello everyone, welcome to our Ask Geology group, a whole new way to understand our Mother Earth. So in this today's 7-minute numerical, we are going to discuss about one general geology question asked in GATE. As you can see, this banner, this blue banner represents your GATE questions. So the question is given: the normalized longitudinal profile of a river is given below. Okay, this is actually the longitudinal profile of a river. Okay, the concavity index of the river is the concavity index. Okay, the concavity index of the river he is asking. Okay, so what this concavity index means? Starting from the point, this is concave. From this point, concave, this concavity term that came. Okay, and what this index one parameter or basic scale of measurement, concavity index. So how much concave this river profile is here, it is basically asking these things. So you can see this is the shaded area 0.18. now ye jo concavity, now this is somehow concave. Okay, it is forming one cave, that's why concave. Concave means you have to form one particular cave. Okay, cave like structure, that's why that is concave. Okay, and we have to find out the concavity index of this lower one. Okay, not the lower one but the upper one, concavity index. So we don't know what is the concavity index, we have to calculate. Okay, so if we just get this profile to be a straight line in this diagram like this, the concavity index will be 1 because it is not concave, not at all concave, na? It is straight line. This is actually a straight line. So what will be the concavity index? The concavity index will be 1 in this case. Okay, when it is a straight line, the concavity index is how much? The concavity index is 1 if it is a straight line. Okay, so this is not a CSIR net question, just ignore it. So if it is actually forming a straight line, then the concavity index will be 1, isn't it? Concavity index will be 1. So when this concavity index is 1, it is forming a straight line, and now in this profile it is not actually a straight line. Okay, we have to calculate the concavity index of these things. Okay, so x's, you can see what are the x's given. This is 1, this is 1. That means this is your 1.0, this is also 1.0. okay, so these are all unit length. This is unit length, this is unit length. So what is the area, shaded area, this black? Okay, so if we just want to calculate the area of the shaded region, because by making the straight line we have to just consider the total shaded area, this black. Okay, so area of the shaded region is equal to half cross of base is equal to 1, and height, that is also 1. This is equal to 0.5. okay, this is unit, this is square unit. Okay, this is unit, this is because it is actually area, it should be this much of square. Okay, so you can just conclude here that at concavity index 1, okay, at concavity index 1 we are having an area of how much? 0.5. This is unit square, some unit is there, so let it just write down unit square. Okay, when the area is 0.5, then the concavity index is 1. Now you can see, now it is shaded area. What is the area? 0.18. okay, so here just again I am writing at 0.5 unit square area, the concavity index is 1. If we are considering 0.18 shaded area, then what will be the concavity index? This is 1 by 0.5 cross of 0.18. What is the answer? This is equal to 0.36, or if we just in percentage, it is asking in percentage, na? So if we just convert it into percentage, you have to multiply 100. This is your 36%. Okay, now here comes the main thing. Okay, so now this 36% concavity index, now the 36%, that is the concavity index, okay, that is the concavity index, is for the lower boundary, for the lower base or lower boundary. But in this case we are considering the profile. Okay, so but we want the concavity index, but we want the concavity index of the profile, okay, of the profile. So that, what is that one? This is 100 minus of 36 is equal to 64%. Or simply you just calculate that if it is 1 minus of 0.36, that will be 0.64, and if we just multiply 100 because it is asking in percentage, that is 64%. Okay, because when you just look the river na, then you will look from this top part, not from this base part, bottom, or the, because that is covered by the ground. So this is our answer in this case. Okay, so try to understand. And if in this case na, this is actually curved line. For this we cannot derive a direct formula, so we have to approach, so we have to make some different approach to get the answer here in this case. Okay, so I hope, and what is the answer? Just this is 64%. Okay, so I hope this will help you to understand these type of numericals in a better way. So save our mother earth, this is our motto. Plant more trees, go green, and these are our numbers, these are mail ID. If you want to join our group, if you want to continue with us for your geology preparation, for any kind of competitive exams or preparation, then you can contact to these numbers. Okay, simply put a mail to this mail ID, or there will be a link tree given in the description box. You can just click it and you can go to our website and check all the details. So have a good day. Thank you.